Okay, y'all, so this is how the suitcase looks on the outside. And the side, the back of the case. And it has a handle. And it is completely blacked out, guys. This is the zipper, the stitching. It has the AWAY sign here. And then this feels like a rubber like fabric, or not fabric, material. This is how tall it gets. I'm 5'6", so it's pretty tall. Okay. So it's stuck. Okay. So before I start talking more about this, I wanted to say, AWAY, you didn't have to do me like that. I paid for this with my own money. You could at least give me a new one. But back to the review. Yeah, this one has the battery pack. And this is the battery pack. Look at this. Do y'all see this? Look at these stains on here. Like, there's no way. There's stains on the actual suitcase. Like, it's something sticky here. It's linty, stain. Like, somebody spilled something on it. I'm a little pissed. I'm gonna be calling them. Anyway, again, back to the suitcase. It goes here. You push it down. You hear that click, and then you close it. There we go. So that's this one, and it has the TSA lock, which is the reason why I wanted to go with them, because of this. And then the hard shell. This is a hard shell suitcase. They now have what is it, soft, so I think it's a soft case, or soft shell cases now. They're at AWAY. So this one is mine. I'm gonna open up the other one and I'll show you guys them both at the same time. Okay. Oh, this is this one. Okay. Let's put this one here. And then this one, this is my husband's. Guys, this is the dust bag for this one, just like the other one. It has the same message on the box. So we're going to open this and then take it out. So close this one up. This one didn't have a cord in it, so maybe they knew it was going to the same house, or because it's used. Anywho, all right, y'all. My husband, he has the gray one. You guys see this? His is so adorable. I can't say cute because he don't like that word for guy stuff. It's got scratches on it already. Look at that. You guys see that? With that stain on it? AWAY, really? Okay.
Way to the dirty one.
Yeah. These are not new. Okay. All right, y'all. So, we have to figure out how to open these. Okay, it says 000. Let's see. Oh, here you go. Set the combination to 000. Slide the lock to the right. Okay, so that's how you take this off. I'm gonna put it right here, and we're gonna open up this one. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see it. Oh, and the size that we got is supposed to be the big carry-on, or the bigger carry-on, I should say. So. Doesn't look like it, but it could be. Same thing with this one. This one didn't even have the little this tag on here. So Another indication that these are used. I want my money back. Run my $500 some back away. Okay, y'all. This is how these look in the inside. And as you guys see, this one is already unzipped. I'm so irritated, y'all. That's so it comes with this little laundry bag that's built in. It comes with this compression here, and then inside is this. This is the luggage tag, and it looks like this in the inside. Can you guys see it? Okay. It came with this. You are here, and then you are off, and it tells about battery safety, so on. Okay. Oh, and it says scuffs happen, so it feels like a little, oh, there you go. It's a little like sponge type thing.
Oh, magic eraser.
Yeah, to wipe off any scuffs. So let's see how this look in the inside. Okay. All right, this is the compression. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see this dirt? Like, really? Like, don't this just piss you off? Look at this. So on. Yeah, and it came with this. I guess this is like a USB for the battery pack. And then over here has this in here and this side. So yeah, this is this one. This one's my husband's, or should I say was my husband, because we can keep it up. All right, this one should be literally identical. Oh, look at this. I didn't notice that for the last one. Has this here. On this side has this, and this side is the compression. This is open, of course. And this one came with this, which I don't understand why that one did, but okay.
Because it's used.
Yeah, so this comes with this. Can you guys see this? And then inside it has the adapters for different countries you're going to.
Which the other one didn't have those.
Yep, and then the other one had this little sleeve that this in another book came in, which is not in here. And I also got the luggage tag. So this is how this side looks. Also, yeah. And then this is how this looks. Show you guys on this bag. Oh, it has a little odor too. This suitcase does. But it comes clipped. See, has a little button to secure it. And then this is your laundry bag, and then it zips here. This to keep your clothes from getting all smelly and yucky. So this is this one. All right, you guys, that is it. We finna contact AWAY and see about getting my money back. Okay, I'm disappointed because I have been wanting to get this company for a while and just feel like it's not worth the bread, you know? Like I could have went to Marshall's or somewhere and got a little cheap suitcase for 25% of that price, okay? So Anyway.
Did they tell you it's gonna be used when you order it?
No, it's supposed to be brand new. Cause I mean, if it's gonna be used, then this thing should be like $100 or less. Like,
could have got a used one from Marshalls.
Yeah. Ew.
Know what I'm saying?
No.
Like people.
First of all, coronavirus. Holding my hands like this and then like this because I can't wait to go wash my hands right now. I feel that's disgusting. Like there's literally
like people travel.
Yeah,
like,
people touch stuff. Some people are disgusting and they recycle their clothes, underwear, and just throw stuff in the bags, shoes. Can we not talk about what else they do? You know.
I mean, it's cool for them to accept returns from people, but why would they send returns to another customer during coronavirus?
This company is too big for this. This is unacceptable. Like, period. And there's no telling. I've never called or anything like that, but I'm disappointed, y'all. And then I feel like this is not even the right suitcase. But this looks smaller. This looks smaller than the regular carry-on. So I'm gonna have to figure out if this is even the right one. And I have everything saying that anyway, so to end this video, I must say that I am impressed with the system itself, but I am highly disappointed with the actual company. It's just not cool. People work hard for their money, and this stuff was not given to us. It was not free. And even if it was free and you are getting paid to do a review on it, you don't want to do nothing or touch anything that has been used. So, not good. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you like more videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe. We look forward to getting to know you guys and vice versa, you guys getting to know us. When I say us, my family will probably be in and out of my channel as well, because we are family. So yeah, if you guys have any products or anything you want me to review, let me know. Bye y'all. Peace.